Satellite Communications and Cybersecurity.
Course powered by Tonex.
The Satellite Communications and Cybersecurity course by Tonex offers an in-depth exploration of the integration between satellite communication technologies and the critical need for cybersecurity in today's digital era. This comprehensive training is designed to provide participants with both the foundational knowledge of satellite communication systems and the specialized skills to secure these networks from cyber threats.
As satellite systems become more crucial for global connectivity, understanding how to protect them from emerging cyber attacks is essential. The course covers a broad range of topics, including satellite architecture, signal processing, encryption, secure communication protocols, regulatory standards, and threat mitigation strategies. Participants will learn from industry experts with real-world experience, ensuring that the knowledge gained is practical and applicable to current and future challenges.
Target audience. This course is carefully outlined for the professionals like satellite communications engineers, cybersecurity professionals, network security analysts, IT professionals working in satellite or telecommunications sectors, government and defense contractors, telecommunications infrastructure managers, IT security managers in sectors relying on satellite communications.
Course outlines: Introduction to Satellite Communications and Cybersecurity, Satellite Communication Fundamentals, Cybersecurity Principles and Practices, Vulnerabilities and Threats in Satellite Communications, Secure Satellite Communication Implementation, Incident Response and Security Management.
Take your career to the next level with the Satellite Communications and Cybersecurity course by Tonex. Whether you're an experienced professional or new to the field, this course will provide you with the critical skills needed to secure satellite communications in an increasingly connected world.
Request more information. Sign up as a group. Please visit Tonex website www.tonex.com.